Hey y'all, it's Nikki Allen. I am back to talk about my Love My Glow oil today. As you know, we released it the beginning of April, and as we begin to come to a close in April, first of all, I just want to thank you guys because we were able to sell out our first batch or shipment very quickly, and we are getting our products back in. We have the scrubs in right now. We have some glow oil, but it's coming back in. But I wanted to talk about the amazing things that are in our glow oil. What I'm going to do is just a quick demonstration of how to apply it, the ingredients that are in it, and then I'm gonna shine on the glow. So we're back with the Love My Glow oil. It comes with a card and it literally says on it, Love My Glow. Before you start using the glow oil, we want you to read this card because it tells you actually how to use the glow oil and the benefits of using the glow oil. So before you use it, you want to shake it vigorously, right? And the reason that you want to shake it is because it has the shimmer inside, and you want the shimmer to be distributed evenly. You could wear this oil every day. Of course, we want to shine on them in our Give Me Body, but you can wear this every day. You can put it anywhere. And if you're going to be in water, you want to reapply because this is not to replace your sunblock. This has a natural sun blocking ingredient in it that will help to protect your skin. Okay, so we've shaken it up, and you just want to put a couple of pumps in your hand, maybe one or two. And as you can see, it's kind of like goldish, bronzy, right? So you can see it. And then you want to just rub it in and put it on. But it just gives a nice glow. Like, you're not gonna go out looking like a little Christmas light, but you're definitely going to have some shimmer. And that's what we want, right? So, it is that simple. And it smells like orange and lemon, and it's very, very, very refreshing, but I feel moisturized and soft, not oily or greasy, although the ingredients inside, there are definitely some oils in there. So there's jojoba oil, there's avocado oil, there's sweet orange oil, there's mica powder, there's arnica oil, there is vitamin C, and there is hyaluronic acid. And I hope that you will love it so you can shine on them, honey. Just shine on them. And just enjoy it. Whether you are going outside or not, well, go outside. Get yourself some vitamin D, right? Take care of your skin. You only get one body. So you might as well love it, right? See you in the next